I don't have meat. We don't have meat. We don't eat meat. Welcome back to another video with me. Today I want to be making egusi soup for the family, and I'm going to be using onions and uziza leaf. I want to test run and see how this is going to turn out. So if you want to see how it turns out, I don't have meat. We don't have meat. We don't eat meat. Normally what we eat is chicken. The market is actually far from the house, so we have um hake fish that I have roasted. Let me show you. Guys, I've been wanting to make a video and I'm trying to do it in an organized form, like, put my hair up, make sure that I am well up to like makeup and all those things, and it has not been coming true. So I'm virtually going to show you how it is in my house. Like, we're not going to hide anything. We're not going to cover anything. Any dirty you see, close your eye. If you cannot close your eye, watch it like that. So we are going to be using hake fish. Hake. It's called banla in Nigeria. I'm going to be using this and stockfish. Daddy, can you help me with the stockfish in the freezer? So we are going to be using stockfish as well. I'm going to be using these spring onions. This is the thing I want to find out if it will work well. The spring onion and the uziza leaf. This is the stockfish I'll be using. So stockfish, hake fish, that's the only protein in this soup, and that's how we eat. Whenever I want to buy anything extra, it's going to be chicken. So since we don't have chicken, we're going to be doing that. So if you want to see how I prepare this egusi soup, you should keep watching as we will be powering it on. I want to shout out to my photographer. My photographer is my one and only beautiful, handsome 6-year-old son behind the camera. So I'm shouting out to him, and I want to hope that as I'm doing this video blindly, it's going to turn out ridiculously. Mwah! Comment down in the comment section and shout out to my son for me. Thank you so much for watching, and let's hop right into this video. Thank you.
Fun is big. It's hot, right? What is this Molly doing?
Fish is very small. Just this fish is very small. We're going to add our pepper. I think we don't even eat red meat in our house. It's not even about minimalist or no minimalist. We don't like to eat red meat. But my friend will always say my children eat it, but I don't know how they need it. I've not seen the essence of it. I'm going to add crayfish. 1, 2, 3. Little salt. Content soup always takes time. So 1 Maggi. What are you eating? What are you eating? What's this? Hey, this boy. See, he's eating at the egg. I watch him. Baby, is that not true? Who amongst us test fish at this point? See, the water is not much, and I don't want it to cook so much, so I'm just going to remove it now and pour it into a deep plate. Stainless to stainless. Very good.
Mama, it's like this boy doesn't know what I do.
So you can see that this is the water that is left, so I'm going to add water to it. Add more. Let it boil small so that we can add the egusi to it. I'm just going to add, I added a little egusi into this mortar for the pepper that was in it to go out. And now the water is warm. Remember that we added cold water, so it's warm now. So we'll start molding the egusi inside just like this. The main ones with the onions, I've mixed the onions inside of it. So we'll just keep pouring it like this into the water. This recipe I learned it from my sister. She's the one that taught me this recipe, and it's so good. It's so good. Now we stir it and then we cover it to check it. Yeah, this is exactly what we want. And then we'll pour oil. This is traditional way of measuring. Oh, we're not a chef here. Oh, it's burning. No. Right. So we'll just dig hole in it.
Yeah, digging proof so that the oil can go. Oh, right. Yeah, this will be a mess.
He's jumping. He's
Comment,
jumping. Oh my God. Everywhere will be a mess now.
We have to do this.
No, let me clean it immediately. So I don't want anybody to match it now, like Daniel. Daniel, move it, move it. Okay, I think it's still pouring, so let me just cook fast. Daddy, wait, excuse, I need to pour that fish. Pour it gently. It's like this pot is small for this egusi.
Using this pepper.
I don't have a new one. When I have new one, I'll use it. Salt, salt. Baby, give me now. So we are adding salt to add these pieces of wawa maggi I have left. And this is another one. Let me tell you, this soup is very tasty. Very tasty. Daddy, come and taste this for me. So try this egusi soup method and thank me later. I definitely added little water because it was too thick for me. So see, our soup is ready. So if you want to add vegetable in it, you can add vegetable in it. Mine, I'm going to be adding uziza, so I'm just going to cut. I'm just going to cut the uziza and then add to it. The soup is okay now. Ha! What a boy! But you have eaten a full bowl of rice.
One.
You've eaten a full bowl of rice before now. And son,
Yes, ma'am.
and you ate oats and boiled egg. And you finished it. But you don't remember to brush your teeth. Why?
I don't know why.
Okay. So our leaf is ready. So baby, are you watching? You are shaking my camera.
Sorry.
We're going to add our this soup. There is no plenty water. Oh. It looks like we are going to add water to it. Soup is ready, so we are going to be cleaning up now. David, have you kept the crayfish where it's supposed to be? Where are you running to? We're done cooking and we are just going to clean up the whole kitchen. Thank you so much for watching our video, and please don't forget to subscribe. Also, don't forget to tell me what you would have done better in cooking this egusi soup. I learned this egusi soup from my sister and my husband loved it ever since. So don't forget to tell me what you would have done if you were me cooking, what you would have done. I would want to see your comments in the comment section. Thank you so much. And if you tried this recipe, don't forget to come back. It will be so glad to come back and see your comment saying that that soup tastes like the bomb. Let me clean up the kitchen. Because if I sit down now, I will not want to touch anything again. I'm already standing so long. Tired. Let's wash.
Can I?
Yes, you can. Yes. See? Nice and clean. And this is our pot of soup. I have poured it into this container. I bought this container from Express Hub on Instagram. It came in set of 4. I think I have an obono soup in the freezer, so it came in set of 4. This is the biggest, the medium. No, there is another one before this one, so there are 4. So this one is where the soup is, and everything is back to its place, and like we never did anything. So we succeeded in making Daniel sleep. So please don't forget to like. Daddy, come and tell aunties to like, subscribe. Please don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on your post notification so that you know the next time that I and David will be cooking again, or I will be cooking again. Thank you. Bye.